Okay guys, we're filming a super cool video today, and it's gonna be completely off of this right here. This is the newest iPhone you can get, the iPhone 13 Pro, and I've been seeing a bunch of people rig them up and trying to make them as cinematic as possible, and that's what we're gonna do today. My friend is coming. Not only does he do a bunch of stuff, but today he's gonna choreograph a dance for us, and we're gonna film it all off of this. So come along to see if we can actually pull it off and get some crazy shots. So let's do it. So it's kind of good that he hasn't showed up yet, because I'm not gonna lie, I have not even set any of this up. I got like a whole rig, and then 2 lights, and then an actual ND filter to put on the phone. I haven't even tested this yet. I got a whole like app system, so they recommended me to use Filmic Pro. So ooh, that was weird. It was like connected to the speaker. That was tripping me out. Okay. It just, to me, like, it doesn't work the way it's supposed to. I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, it definitely looks a lot better quality, but let's slap the ND filter on and see if this makes a difference. I personally like to use ND filters on almost all of my shots, but it is darker in here. So I know ND would look better outside. Let's see what it looks like inside and see, because this one was kind of a high gradient. I think it was like a 64. Wait, I can't even tell. Wait, maybe it doesn't say it on here. I thought it was like a 64, but it might just be like ND in general. But it's kind of weird, like you just tap it. I thought it automatically set your parameters, like if you wanted it to be lower exposure or higher. As of right now, I don't even know how this thing works. I'm not trying to figure it out. Okay, let's set it all up, because we want to get it set up before he gets here. Okay, he still has not gotten here yet. I thought I might as well set up the ND filter in the rig now so you guys can like kind of see it. The only thing is I'm kind of like super OCD about stuff like this, so I'm really hoping I put it on correctly, because if not, it could ruin the day. Is there no like guidelines to put it on? This is what it looks like. It's like a little ND, but it has like one. Oh, wait, is that the sticky stuff? Oh, does it come with 2 of them? Oh, you put this one on, and then you can remove it. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I think we're going for it. I didn't bring anything to actually clean the phone. So lenses might not be the cleanest. I know that kind of bothers me too. But that's all I have to work with. So set it here. No case on my phone. I know I'm sketchy. I know. Oh, we put it on. Make sure it's on tight. This is what it kind of looks like. So, then you take it like this. Okay, that doesn't even feel very secure. I guess it is. It doesn't feel very secure to me, if you ask me. But, I guess it looks cool. That's really the main reason why I got it. So let's hope it works accordingly. Let's hope, mate. That's not even flush. That's not a flush at all. Okay, we're gonna start testing it out though, because I don't know how it works. Oh, it looks pretty good in here. I don't know, we're gonna have to see how it actually looks over there, because it does look a little too dark if you ask me. we'll see. Maybe for some dramatic shots, maybe a little more up close to the window or something. Look pretty cool. But regardless, boom, we have that. Now you can put it in the rig. Bam. That's how we're looking right now. One light. And now, for something as simple as that, now it looks like this. I'm not gonna lie. From just an iPhone, oh my god. From just an iPhone to this, actually looks super professional. Imagine that, you're just capturing that. So basically in this video, we're gonna try to show you if you need to pay $3,000–$4,000 for a camera that you're shooting on, you guys are seeing me through basically right now, or just an everyday thing such as an iPhone, and you get ND filters and all this stuff to set it up, because as of right now, it's looking pretty good. But again, we haven't really shot anything yet, so we're gonna have to see how the footage comes out. So, okay guys, this is the final product right here. This is what we came up with. So we have 2 lights, an ND filter on the iPhone, and an actual rig to like house everything, and then a Rode mic. So, even though we're not really gonna be using the audio, this is what I thought would just make it look the coolest. This is what we finally have. It makes it look so professional. So anyone with a small budget, I think all of this together, I think it cost under, I think when I say under like 100 and something, maybe like 120 max. 120 max, and I can link all the stuff below. I think each of these are like 20. Oh, Rode mics are more expensive. But even if you didn't have the Rode mic, because we're not going to be using the Rode mic really. And a lot of cinematic video you don't use audio. But then the rig and all that stuff, again, all that stuff you don't even need. All you need is your iPhone. That's the whole point of this. But to go, you know, extra, we do all this. But this is what we have. Okay. I think we're good with the thumbnails. Nico, you're gonna say hi?
What's up?
He's gonna absolutely kill it today. Not only can he dance, but he's very good with making things look very dramatic. And yeah, let's get to it. Nico absolutely killed it. He's
wow.
You can tell he's tired because he just danced for like 3 minutes.
I'm not tired. It's just, you know, the Houston heat kind of captures everything, like sweat, expression. And I'm really not that tired. It's just more about the extra energy I have to put in
to getting the shot.
Yeah, in Houston, Texas. If we're in LA, we kill it. Game over. We'll do take 10.
Take 10.
But limited to 5. Cause god damn. We're here though, you know. Yeah, we're about to run it back. So basically what we've been doing with the shots is the main shots we're trying to get, because again with the phone it's gonna be a little bit harder to do. We're getting close-up shots, medium shots, and wide shots. That's like basically the goal for any video you're trying to make. And I think it's coming along very good for that matter. So we're gonna get back to it after Nico takes a break because I'm tiring him out. Yeah. Bye.
Okay guys, we just finished the video. Nico actually killed it. As you can see, he is sweating because I made him dance for like an hour straight. And he corrected me. It's not, what is it? It's improv?
Improv, yeah.
It's improv. I said he was choreographing stuff. He corrected me and said, Jack, if you say that again, no more videos, you're cut off, you're done.
Very much that.
I messed up, I don't know dancing that much, but he killed the improv. He basically freestyled almost everything you guys are going to see. And speaking of see, check out the clips we actually got. Okay guys, I hope you like them. We haven't actually seen them yet because I haven't actually got time to go home and edit them, but I'm so excited to actually see how they turn out for both of us actually to see them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna see you in the next one. We'll see you then.
See you then.